Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Bedwars with your friends on Blockman Go gaming app. If you want to play Bedwars with your friends, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the option of End button right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find the option of Party. Simply go ahead and select it. Now here you can see a lot of Bedwars game is happening. To play with friends, you can simply join on one of them and tap onto the plus sign button and send the number of the game to your friends and they will join it. Or you can simply enter a room number where your friend have joined from right here. And that's it. This is how you can play Bedwars with your friends on the Blockman Go gaming app. Now have great fun playing with your friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.